Bestie, it's a Como and I'm back with another video from Renter to Homeowner episode 5, baby. This time, excuse me, I'm too excited. This time, we are finishing my Patio. I actually just finished setting up the set that I got. I am so obsessed. Like, I'm so obsessed. Like, I just want to sit there. Like, no, all of a sudden, I never used to sit outside, but like, now I want to sit outside. So, you obviously know where we're going right now. I actually should be charging this phone because it's off. And you're in my banking apps. So, guys, I'm about to go to China Center. I keep mixing these places up, but I'm going to China Center. I'm looking at the traffic right now. It's 4 p.m. And I'm like, I won't get another day to go and get the stuff or even get this vlog out. I mean, not the vlog out, but to vlog before the due date, like to post the video, because I'm posting every Tuesday. And I'm thinking of going home tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. But yeah, I want to get... Oh, actually, I want to get lights for the pictures, like on top. I hope I find what I'm looking for, because I have like an idea in my head. But yeah, we'll see. Then maybe a plant for outside. I'll see what I can get like for my Patio. Like, I'll see. I'll the Patio, whatever. I'm gonna look at it in spores. Ish, my phone is taking long to switch on. I mean, I just plugged it in already. Let me go. You know what? I just want to see what budget there maybe. My phone. Okay, let me give it time. Maybe when I get there, it'll be on. They close at 6. Oh, it's actually half. I'm not hoping that the bread. Okay. They close. It's actually half. 25. No, this clock copy. I think it's probably like maybe 4:15. That's why there's so much traffic. But let me go. Let me stop talking. Let me go. Go on with it. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey that's to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all for my right hand. What's a toast with the friends that they club? One time, sit down in a class and we pour that only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, give the higher ring like hello, brother. Say, I just shut down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, man, in a live, man. Me have to come back for the journey, the journey to just to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings for all of my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be road. One time, sit down in a class and we pour that only sit the road and me go on with it. That's what blessings are for me. And send me if tell you my story. That's what blessings are for me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the job. Me, I'm in the light. You know, some of us are ignited. But the music get me excited. Coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey that's to the plus. Gratitude is a must.
Flashback.
Give thanks. let you go. Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to.
I cannot believe that load shedding is back. I can't believe it. But anyway, today is Tuesday, the 14th of May. The last time I went out shopping, but I think I'm gonna, after the shopping part, I'm gonna put in the clip of me setting up the Patio furniture. Yeah, so when I went shopping, I went to buy some stuff to decorate right now before the sun goes down, because I wanna quickly put out, like I wanna go outside and put the stuff that I put outside. I bought a plant for the table and a plant for like the flower, and I couldn't get the lights I was looking for. This guy gave me light there. And I get like how once we wait a little thing in like a magnet, and guys, it's a lot. The point is I didn't get the lights I was looking for, so right now I'm just gonna put the stuff outside and then you guys will see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what I got. I got this plant, right? Then I got these flowers, and that one is actually for my TV stand, so I'm gonna put it back. I just put it there for decor, but I'm gonna use this one. Then I just got this tape. I'm gonna try to put the mirror up. I don't know if it's gonna work. I just got these two. It's a bit loud out here. Got these two letters, an O and an M. I'm gonna put it on my entryway table. Then I got fairy lights. I don't know where I'm gonna put these, but I'll see. I got 2 packs. That's it. So now I'm just gonna place these things where they're supposed to go. I'm gonna keep that there for now, and that will just stay there on the table. Cute. This one is going back where it belongs, which is here. And we have another one that side. Yeah. So this is what we're working with currently. Yeah. Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. So like I said, there's literally no electricity. So the lighting is probably gonna be so bad. I just wanna take these things off here. I might actually put them somewhere else. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know where, but it's just my name. I thought it was cute. Is this one gonna stand? Okay, that's it. And then the mirror, I think I'll just do it in another vlog because I don't want my vlog to be dark, lighting me off, not giving cues, you know. This is what we're working with. I'll see. Or maybe I should put them here, like on the wall. It's giving too self what. Anyway, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. Road to 500 subscribers. Let's go. Also, I hope you enjoyed every moment. Bye.